Cryptocurrencies are a scam. This is a statement I have heard so many times, and every time I hear these statements, I tell myself, I wish they knew the potential of cryptocurrency if only they knew how to do it right. Can you really make money in cryptocurrency? How safe is it? And is it true that cryptocurrency is just a scam? These are questions you have probably asked yourself, or you have heard someone asking. I know I have countless times. And to be honest, the world of crypto has sparked curiosity, skepticism, excitement, scams, and opportunities in all equal measures. And I am here to help you uncover the truth. So in this series, I'll guide you through the opportunities, the risk, the realities of investing in cryptocurrency so you can make informed decision. And if you're interested, you can start investing in cryptocurrencies and start making money, okay? So if you're looking to start investing in cryptocurrencies but don't know where to start, or you have been curious about investing in cryptocurrency, then this is your video. So this is our first video in a series of how to invest in cryptocurrencies, and we'll be looking at the basics, the strategies, cryptos you can invest in. We'll also look at or go into more details on different places you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies using M-Pesa or maybe a bank transfer. These will include how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies in Binance and also Paxful. We'll also talk about how to make money in cryptocurrency and how to do arbitrage trading, which involve buying crypto from one market at a lower price and selling it in a different market at a higher price to make a profit. Yes, we're also going to look at how to become a merchant in a P2P market, and we'll also speak about different crypto scams and how to avoid them. Then after that, we'll look at crypto safety and basically everything about cryptocurrencies. I have been in this space since 2018. Have been a project where we created a crypto. We went through the whole process of raising money to fund the project with this cryptocurrency, and basically have done a lot of research in this field. I went through a course in cryptocurrency, the basics of cryptocurrencies, have taught sessions on cryptocurrency, and have also invested a lot in this cryptocurrency. And I actually even got an airdrop worth $12,000 in 2021. Yes, in 2021. I lost a lot of that money, and it has been a roller coaster, but a very rewarding journey to know the potential of cryptocurrency and the technology behind crypto, which is blockchain technology. And this is for the IT people. If you're in IT or you know someone in IT, there is a massive job opportunities for blockchain or crypto developers. Tell them to take advantage of this. This is a market that we are still in the early stages of blockchain and cryptocurrencies, and if you know how to code, then learning how to code cryptocurrency is very easy. Learning how to code money is very easy and much easier now that we have AI to help with the process. So if you know someone or you're in the IT department, kindly take this opportunity and start learning how to do Solidity, how to do all these languages, or to create a cryptocurrency, because there are a lot of projects that are going to this direction, and you can take advantage of that. Remember to tell your brothers, your sisters, your relatives, your friends, and everyone who is in IT to take advantage of this opportunity, okay? It's an added advantage if you already have such a skill. Yes, also remember we want to invest on ourselves, and this is how you invest on yourself. Making sure that you acquire skills that will be applicable in the market and that will help you even earn more. Yes, okay. Also, for those who have amazing ideas and are looking for funding, this is also a field that is not saturated. You can raise funds through what is called quadratic funding, or basically you can find people in cryptocurrencies who are willing to fund amazing projects out there. And I know it's not as saturated as the traditional funding market, as the traditional financing models to finance projects. So if that's something that also interests you, maybe you can check it up. It's easier to get funding through crypto than the traditional finance. Okay, anyway, enough of that. That is enough detour. The rest of us, let's talk about investment. So we'll be doing this bit by bit because there's so much to learn and I don't want to overload you with information. I'll be talking about what are the must-knows for investors. So make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of the videos that you're going to be covering. I know that you're going to need several of these videos so that you can know how to navigate cryptocurrencies and know how to invest the right way in cryptocurrencies. But for today, we are going to be looking at the basics, and I think the best place to start before even talking about how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies or which platform to invest in is, where do I get these cryptocurrencies to invest in, or how do I know which cryptocurrency to invest in? And I will start you off with a platform called CoinMarketCap. This is a platform that lists cryptocurrencies and it ranks according to their market cap. And in layman's language, CoinMarketCap is the total value of a cryptocurrency. For example, if today I created a coin called Millionaire and I created maybe 1,000 coins and each coin was going for 10 Kenya shillings per coin, the total market cap for my coin, the Millionaire coin, will be 1,000 coins times 10 Kenya shillings, which will make it 10,000 Kenya shillings. That will be the coin market cap of that particular coin now, of the Millionaire coin. Now, this coin, the Millionaire coin now, will be ranked based on this value. So for example, if we have, let's say 20 or 100 coins listed in this market, in this coin market cap, and the first coin maybe have a total value or a total market cap of maybe 1 million Kenya shillings, yes? So we'll have that one with 1 million Kenya shillings, the second one maybe with 500,000 Kenya shillings, the third one with maybe 200,000 Kenya shillings, until we get to which number is my 10,000 Kenya shillings coin market cap supposed to be, which position, okay? So that is how this platform lists coins. This is very important because for beginners, we want to go for coins that do well or rank well in this platform. This will help you maybe avoid new coins that are in the market and also filter some scams out there, okay? And as we become more familiar with cryptocurrency, you'll be able to know what to look for in a coin, and then at that particular time now you can even go for new coins because they have greater potential, okay? Yes, new coins have greater potential, but they are still very volatile because they're still new. People are getting to know about them, and maybe a lot of people are going in, and sometimes they dump a lot. But if you're familiar with these markets or you're familiar with cryptocurrency, you'll know when to get in and when to exit that market before it crashes on you. Yes, allow me to repeat that so that we are on the same page or we understand what this means. So crypto in the coin market cap or in this platform are ranked based on the total value of that cryptocurrency in the market. In addition to the ranking, the platform also gives you details of where to buy or sell that cryptocurrency, if at all that cryptocurrency is not in your favorite exchange. And I'm assuming we know what a crypto exchange is, but for the sake of those who do not know, a crypto exchange is where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies. In an exchange, you can exchange a coin for another coin, or you can exchange a coin for cash, yes? But not all exchanges support cash, especially ones that are available for Kenyans. But if you're not in Kenya, you may have more options. But not to worry, for those who are in Kenya, you can always do this. If you want to invest in a cryptocurrency, you can buy in that exchange that is available, that coin is available in, and then you hold for some time. When the time comes for you to sell, you can sell it or you can change it to another coin that is accepted in an exchange that do convert coins to cash. Does that make sense? Yes, you can do that if at all you have a coin in a market that is not available in a market that has or exchanges a coin for cash. You can always exchange that coin to another coin, and then you move that coin from now that exchange to an exchange that can convert to cash. Yes, I hope you understand up to there. And now let's go through the platform first to see how it works. And So let's quickly go through the platform, and this is basically where you can find all the coins that you want to invest in. Okay, most of them. Some new coins, they are not listed here, but most of the coins that you might be interested in, you might find them here, especially the coins that you're going to find on social media, people talking about them on social media. You can always find them here, and I will show you how to go about it. So what I want us to concentrate in first is this small ribbon here. And under here, you can see that it says that there are 13.24 million cryptocurrencies listed in this platform and 819 exchanges listed in this platform. And then market cap is $2.59 trillion, which means that the total amount of money being traded in cryptocurrency in this platform is $2.59 trillion. Yes. And then we have the other thing that I want us to look at for a few seconds is dominance and BTC dominance, because this is very important because it can help you time the market to enter into or to buy a cryptocurrency. So here it says BTC is 62.6%. And what this means is when Bitcoin dominance is high, it's often a signal that funds are concentrated in Bitcoin. And this leaves the altcoins. Altcoins are all coins except BTC or Bitcoin. And this leaves, when the Bitcoin dominance is high, it leaves the altcoins undervalued. Well, altcoins may not be gaining momentum or may not be going up in price at that particular time, but it can present opportunities for forward-thinking investors to position themselves before capital now shifts from Bitcoin to altcoins. Yes. So historically, as Bitcoin dominance peaks, yes, and begins now to decline, it means that money is shifting now from Bitcoin, or people are moving away from Bitcoin and getting into or putting their money in altcoins or investing in altcoins. So what this means is altcoins will tend to gain momentum or gain prices when the dominance of Bitcoin starts declining. Yes, this will offer potentially attractive returns for people who are going to get in the right time. And timing in cryptocurrency is very key, and understanding some of these market dynamics can be very advantageous to know when to enter the market and when to exit. Okay, so when the Bitcoin dominance is at its peak and it starts declining, it can signal to you that this is the time now you can start thinking about getting into the altcoins. Yes, and you can combine this with what we see here called fear and greed, and we can see below here we have this small image where it shows the fear and greed index. At this particular time, it's showing that is 25 at fear. Yes, and when you want to get into the market is especially when this is on the red side, because it means that people are fearful of this market and not so many people are getting into the market. So meaning that the prices are going down. And as you're going to look at in our next session, which is after going through the platform, the other thing that you're going to be discussing is this: when to get into the market. You want to get into the market when the markets are going down or when the prices are crashing. That is when you want to get into the market, because when this goes to the green side, it means that so many people are interested in the market and it's at its peak, and it is possible that the market is going to crash anytime soon because so many people are in it, and the market means that the market is generally overvalued. Okay, so you need to keep in mind the fear and greed index and also the dominance of BTC dominance. Yes, so that being said, let's go through the coins that are listed here. And number one coin is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is first in this platform, meaning it has the highest market cap, meaning that it has the highest value in the market. And Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to be created, and price wise you can see it has the highest price, and also the trading volume, it has people are trading, meaning that the money being moved in Bitcoin is $72 billion. That is the money being traded in Bitcoin in 24 hours. That is massive. And you can see that the market cap of this coin, or the total market value of this cryptocurrency in circulation, is 1.6 trillion dollars. This is the worth of all Bitcoin in circulation, and you get this by multiplying the price and the circulating supply. Okay, so in total, the circulating supply of Bitcoin is 19.84 million, and this applies to every coin that is listed here. And then we have 1 hour percent. This is the rate of change. The price has gone down 0.46% in the last 1 hour. The price has gone up 5.56% in the last 24 hours, and the price has gone down 2.01% in the last 7 days. Okay, so that is basically what you can find here. And if you want, you can click on buy and buy BTC, and this will direct you to Binance. And again, if you want to look at how this coin has been performing over time, you can always click on this graph, and it's going to take you to that market. Yes, so we have coins here that have the highest CoinMarketCap or have the highest value. They are ranked based on this. They are ranked based on this market cap. Yes. And you can see we have different coins. Some are expensive, some are very cheap. And you can see, let's see an example. We can see we have a coin like Shiba Inu, which is $0.00001195. That is very cheap. We have others that are 0.2333, which is okay, yes. And we have others that are very expensive. You can see Bitcoin Cash is at $293. We have others that are more expensive than that, and you can see even Ethereum. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum is at $1,592. One coin is equivalent to this amount of money, yes. So, and I would recommend you start with coins that are listed in this page. This is page 1, and it goes to up to 100 coins. So you can find very good coins here that do well, yes, and you can decide to invest in them. So if you see a coin maybe in the social media, you can see it maybe on YouTube, on your WhatsApp groups, or maybe on Facebook, maybe on Twitter. You can always come to this platform to know more about that coin. And we can take an example. For example, I know most of us have heard about WorldCoin, and I'm just taking an example because it's well known. So if you heard about WorldCoin and you want to know how it has been performing, what is it about, how many people are trading this coin, you come here, you see it's number 66, yes. The price is 0.7079, yes. And you're going to see the market cap is $881 million. From there, you can see that the total amount of money that people are trading this coin in the last 24 hours is $177 million, which is quite good, yes. And then you can click on it to see more. Here, you will be able to know where you can buy the coin, where you can sell the coin, and how it is doing. You can actually even navigate to their website, see their white paper to understand what this project has been up to, or what they have been doing, or what they promise, their promise or their use case, yes, what they created it to do. Okay, so here you can just click on all to just see the graph and see how this coin has been doing. And you can see there was a time this coin was at 12, is it 12? The highest, or 11.69, yes, that is the highest it has gone. And you can see that this market or this coin has been in a downtrend. It has gone low, and now we are at 0.70, yes. So make sure these are some things that you need to consider. You evaluate if you believe in the coin and if you see a future in it, whether it's going to go up in the future, and you decide. After deciding, you can go below here and see World Coin Market, and you can see that you can find this coin in different markets. You can see it, you can find it in Binance, so you can buy in Binance, you can buy in Bybit, you can buy in OKX, you can buy in BitGet, and all these other markets here. So these are places that you can find this particular coin. Yes, and on top of that, you can see in each market which market is it being traded more, and what is the price in that particular market. Yes, so you can see here the price in that particular market. You can see the volume, the 24 hours volume, and you can see that here on Binance it's being traded more on Binance than most markets. But we also have Gate.io. It's also trading a lot of the world coin, so maybe it's well known, but this doesn't matter a lot because you can see the prices are almost the same, so you can buy in an exchange that is readily available to you. Okay, so basically that's how it works. So you can go to their website here, you can look at their white paper here, and yeah, you can actually even go to the news, see what the news about cryptocurrency are. And another thing that is very important, this is very nice that they include this. So if you want to earn from your world coins, for example, you already bought world coins and you're waiting for the prices to go up, you can earn some interest by just holding your coins, and you can earn this by locking that the coins that you have in Binance. You can lock them in Bybit, BitGet, or KuCoin. Yes, and from this you can see you'll be earning 0.47%. It's not so good, but it's better than making them just lie idle as you wait for the prices to go up. In Bybit you can earn 1.0%, and then you can see the others. And I would like to mention that some other coins you might find that they have higher interest rate being earned, basically for just holding these coins. And this is something that you can utilize. If you have a lot of coins in cryptocurrency, you can utilize this feature to be earning as you're waiting for the prices of that particular coin to go up. Now that we know where to look for coins if you want to invest, our next question is, are all coins in the CoinMarketCap legit? Well, not all coins in the CoinMarketCap are legit. Anyone can create a coin and register to be listed in the CoinMarketCap, but it does filter out some scams because there are requirements to be listed in the CoinMarketCap. This means that not everyone can issue a token and be listed in this platform because you need to put in some work. Now, if this is the case, how do you tell which one is legit and which one is not? And to answer this, there are two things that I would like you to understand. We have different types of cryptocurrencies. We have coins or crypto that support a certain project, and we have crypto that are called meme coins. These are coins made for fun. They don't support any project. They are just speculative coins that people buy because someone said that they are good to buy. And these are usually very volatile, meaning that they can crash anytime and they can also gain anytime. They usually have someone behind them. A good example is Dogecoin, and this is famously known because of Elon Musk. And sometimes back, one tweet from Elon Musk would make this coin run like crazy, and there is no harm at having a mix of these, but don't put too much money in the coins that do not support a project. Just make sure that the coins that you're investing in, they support a certain project, they have a team behind it, and you can actually see the future of the project that the coin supports. We also have crypto that are very well known, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ADA, the coins that everyone talks about. These coins usually support a project and they have massive future potential. So in your portfolio, you need to have such cryptocurrencies. And remember guys, we talk about diversification all the time. So even in cryptocurrencies, you want to diversify across different sectors of cryptocurrencies because we have those. They call them categories, and we have categories like gaming, we have categories like meme coin, we have categories like AI, and currently what is trending a lot, we have AI agents. We have categories like metaverse, we have categories like DeFi, we have categories like we have a lot of categories of cryptocurrencies, and you can have cryptocurrencies in all these categories, in some of these categories that you feel that they have potential. And I know there are a lot of information out there. If you know what you're looking for, then you can get the legit information about these categories and know where you want to invest your cryptocurrency, or where you want to put your money when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Yes. Now, the next part that we're going to be discussing here is what makes the difference between you making profit in cryptocurrency and you making losses in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have great potential to make you money, but if and only if, number one, you are patient. You should be willing to wait 4 to 5 years to make profit. In cryptocurrency usually goes in cycles, and it usually goes in cycles of 4 years. So you want to make sure that whatever you're putting in, it's not money that you're going to need in short term. It's not money that you're going to be withdrawing anytime soon. It's money that you can be willing to wait for 4 to 5 years for you to make profit. And remember, you need to have an emergency fund set somewhere else, so that whatever you're going to invest in cryptocurrencies, it's money that you're willing to lose, or money, and also money that you're willing to put in this market for the long term. Number two, make sure that you're buying when the prices are low. When the markets are crashing, that's the time for you to get in the market. Never buy when the markets are going up. We call an uptrend, we call it a bull run. Never ever buy in a bull run. You want to buy in a downtrend or a bear run, okay? Number three, don't sell below what you bought. Again, you need to be patient and you need to sell above what you bought. So make sure that you stay in the market until the price is above what you bought. Number four, always take profit. No one knows the peak of the market. Even those people who have been in the market for the longest time, no one knows where the peak of the market is. And I know it's in our nature, it's in human nature to always want more. And sometimes we stay too long in the market and we end up losing everything. So make sure that you're taking profit in intervals. Also, I would advise you buy in intervals if you can, and you can maybe, let's say that the next downtrend you'll be buying crypto worth 2k or 5k or any amount that you're comfortable with, and maybe I can give you a technique to approach this, or the buying technique for cryptocurrency or any other risky investment, or an investment that you feel that you need but you're not comfortable enough to put in a lot of money. This is what you can do. We are all in agreement that we need to be paying ourselves 10% of whatever we earn monthly, and that goes to our investment. Let's say, for example, you're being paid 100,000 Kenya shillings per month. So 10% of 100,000 Kenya shillings is 10,000 Kenya shillings, okay? Now, we want to take 10% or 20% of that 10,000 Kenya shillings, and we can put that in cryptocurrencies, or we can put that in any other risky investments. Now, 10% of our 10,000 will be 1,000 Kenya shillings, and 20% of our 10,000 will be 2,000 Kenya shillings, and you put that into cryptocurrencies. And you can be doing this every month so long as we are in a downtrend. What this will do is will make sure that you have bought cryptocurrencies at different prices, and when the market starts going up, it will make sure that you are making money when the prices continue going up. So for example, you bought your cryptocurrency at let's say let's take an example of a cryptocurrency maybe in a downtrend, and maybe it have come from $3 to maybe $1. Let's say maybe it has come from $5 and maybe now it's going to $1, yes? So when it come from $5, it will go to $3. And because you don't know when the market is going to reverse, you buy at $3, yes? When the market goes to $2, you buy again at $2. When the market goes to $1 or maybe $2, you buy again at that point. Now, when the opposite happens, when the market starts peaking or start going up, what will happen is, now when you bought at $1, because remember you're buying this per month, so the coins that you're going to buy at $1, when that coin goes to $2, you have made profit, and now you can exit the market at that time for that particular amount that you you bought in at $1. Yes, but remember, we also have coins that we bought at $2. For the $2, when the market goes to $3, you're already in profit, and you can sell at that particular time and you take your profit then. For the one you bought at $5, make sure you also wait for the market to go high. Okay, and for this is not a rule written on stone. You can adjust this to fit your preferences or what you think, because sometimes you may have a very strong feeling, or you might have a very strong understanding of the project, and we know that this project might peak, or this project is destined for greatness. Yes, so if that is the case, you can stay longer in the market and you can continue investing. But remember, we have said at this point, no one knows the peak of the market and no one knows the bottom of the market. So make sure that you're buying at intervals and selling at intervals to just make profit in cryptocurrencies. Number 5, remember, cryptocurrencies is volatile and should never panic sell. Invest with a goal in mind and sell when the goal is hit. So those are 5 things that you need to keep in mind, and I believe this lays the foundation of any kind of investment that you're making that is risky investment. Okay, let me know in the comment section if there is something that you feel that I should have included in this video but I didn't, so that we can also put that in our next video. And in our next video, I want us to look at the potential of cryptocurrency. So you'll be looking at numbers, how much you can make in cryptocurrency. That is what we'll be discussing in our next video, and this will help you understand if you're willing to risk some of your money in cryptocurrencies in exchange of potential returns. If there is something you would like us to discover or to cover in cryptocurrency, also let me know in the comment section and I will be sure to look into it. And if you're looking for other investment opportunities, or let me say traditional investment in Kenya, here is a video about other alternative investments that you can take advantage of and make some good money. Thank you so much for watching and happy investing. See you in our next video. Bye.